Hi number 5s, you are watching Ruhani Guidance and this is Himani Narsin bringing you your 2025 predictions. Now this reading is for people born on the 5th, 14th, 23rd of any month. Also if you are a Gemini or a Virgo, this reading is for you. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest. Your personal energies can only be gauged with a combination of your personal birth chart and your tarot cards, and this is based on a general reading. So please take whatever resonates, leave the rest. If you find this reading to be accurate or something that's matching your circumstances, do leave me comments and likes and share it with your family and friends. Let's quickly begin what the reading has to tell you. So you start your year as a Knight of Pentacles, moving in slow and steady towards your goal. There is absolutely no rush. You know what you want. You know what what is your goal and your aspiration, and you are still exploring options. You're still exploring ways of how to do it. This could also be in relation to a relationship where you know what you want eventually, but you're still sort of exploring, seeing how the other person reacts, what is it, what isn't in it for you. There could also be some travel plans that you are waiting to go on. There could be some sort of results, maybe you've been trying to test people and trying to see how things come around. So the first 3 months look very typical Virgo, looking at things, how it's going to pan out. Let me wait, let me see. And that is how the first 3 months are. The second 3 months, which is April, May, June, the Moon card. Okay, so somewhere you're feeling a little depressed, somewhere your emotions are taking over, some development somewhere is causing you to backtrack, and there is a change in plan. Okay, so either it could be that you get a promotion and maybe a plan in your personal life is stalled, because now you have to concentrate on your promotion, on your work life, on your on things that you have to do financially or professionally. Also it could be that if you are in love with someone or if you are in a relationship with someone, they may start speaking to someone else, and that could cause like a major conflict in your mind, because you were not prepared for it. For you, it was always you and them, but because you never gave them any sort of stability, they are now moving away and exploring other options. However, I feel that a lot of things are still in your control, and if you change your behavior and the way you speak here and there, it's all going to work out for you. The third quarter of the year, which is July, August, September. Now here is somewhere I find you coming into action, taking advice from people, what to do, what not to do, how to go about things, what not to do in terms of a scenario. Again, the love relationship point of it, I can see a very strong thing coming in. Maybe also you want to move out of where you currently are, and that travel could be getting stalled again and again and again because of a woman, because of a motherly figure. Also it could be that the place that you are in is not giving you the exact returns that you want, and that is why you're trying to move on, you're trying to move away from where you currently are, and that is how you're taking advice from different people. The last quarter of the year, Wheel of Fortune, everything changes, one cycle getting over, the another one starting. Again, clarified by Three of Pentacles. So 2 3 of Pentacles here. Some serious advice taking going on, number 5. Again, what I feel is this is also in terms of a relationship, in terms of a friendship, in terms of a relationship. You may want to move towards your lover, towards your loved one, or with your loved one, and there is a lot of discussion. So I think the entire year you're only discussing, probably even having a fight, coming back to the same point, and then again, starting all over. But I feel towards the end of the year, just going to pull in like a quick card. So towards the end of the year, are you getting what you want? No, not really. Until unless you use your charm over the situation, I don't think you're getting it. But whatever it is, I feel overall the year is pretty good for you. You have your pentacles in control, you have your love life not so much in control, but it's good. Like nobody is leaving you, you're not leaving anybody. There could be clashes, there could be separation, there could be a period of separation, but I think everything overall is coming back together for you towards the end of the year. So nothing is going haywire. However, number 6, I would advise, number 5, sorry, number 5, I would advise you to, because this is a year of the opposite, you are Mercury ruled and this year is ruled by Mars. Diplomacy is not going to be work as much as it would work for you in another years. So this time I think you need to be a little more action oriented and then see the results for yourself. Let's look at some of the advice cards for your number 5s. So your first advice card is that you need to take your medicines properly, and for those who are childless, you need to adopt a child. Okay, here if you are not in a zone where you could adopt a child, maybe you could also adopt a puppy, so I think pets are the new children, and that is equivalent in today's date. Another advice card for you, your spirit animal is coming out as the buffalo. Abundance, you are provided for in all ways, which is beautiful. This is your lucky color. Your message is build your confidence, and your lucky number is 8. With 8, I think there is also a call for hard work, and that is something that you will have to do this year, number 5. From the Sai Baba deck, we have live in the present. Tomorrow is a myth, it's always today. And under the deck for this one is change. In life, nothing is permanent, constant change is inevitable. So I think number 5s who are feeling, pushed out of your comfort zone, I think it's time to embrace the change and go about the new chapter in your life. Another card is birthday. A significant birthday holds the answer to your question. So it could be your birthday or somebody you love, their birthday. And under the deck for this one is springtime. Your desire fully manifests as the flowers begin to bloom. Such a beautiful reading, number 5s. These are the crystals that you need to get for yourself. You can let us know and we can get you a customized bracelet for the same. And I am going to write the details in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed your reading. Please share it with your family and friends, and I wish you a great 2020.